My tractor trailer park on a level surface. Wheels are chalked. Trailer CV sticker valid. Tractor CV sticker valid. Make sure parking brake applied. First we do the under the hood. Open the hood from latch. First we start from the 4 fluids. Engine oil level is good. In case low oil, we fill from the filler cap. Filler cap tight and secure. No leak, no crack, no damage. Steering container cap tight and secure. No crack, no leak. Level is good. Clutch oil container, no leak, no crack, no damage. Cap tight and secure. Level is good. Windshield washer, no crack, no damage, no leak. Make sure when you go on highway, it should be more than 75%. Wiper motor, no crack, no damage. Line connected good. Fuse box mounted good, no crack, no damage. DC valve mounted good, no crack, no damage. All lines are connected good. Governor mounted good, no crack, no damage, no leak. Now come to the engine head. No crack, no damage. All nut bolts tight and secure. Manifold, no crack, no damage. All lines are connected good. Air intake hose clamp tight and secure. No crack, no damage. Intercooler nut bolt tight and secure. No crack, no damage. Intercooler cover, no crack, no damage. Radiator mounted good. No crack, no damage, no leak. Shroud, no crack, no damage. All fan blades are present. No crack, no damage. Fan belt, no crack, no damage. Alternator mounted good. No crack, no damage. Alternator belt, no crack, no damage. AC compressor, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Air compressor mounted good, no leak, no crack, no damage. Steering rod, no play. U-joint mounted good, no crack, no damage. Steering box, no leak, no crack, no damage. All hoses connected good, clamps tight and secure. Petard mounted good, no crack, no damage. Crown nut with cutter pin present. Drag link, no play. Crown nut with cutter pin at the back also present. Brake chamber mounted good. Hose connected good. Slack adjuster mounted good. Push rod 1/2 inch to 3/4. Axle, no crack, no damage. Leaf spring mounted good, no crack, no damage. Both U-bolts are mounted good. Tie rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. Inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Drum rim, no crack, no damage. Tread depth should be more than 3.2 mm. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. Hub nut tight and secure. No leak and level is good. Air valve stem with cap is present. Fender, no crack, no damage. Hood rest, no crack, no damage. Hood pin, no crack, no damage. Fender, no crack, no damage. Electrical lines are connected good. Bracket, no crack, no damage. Hood shock mounted good, no crack, no damage. Hood hinge mounted good, no crack, no damage. Bumper, no crack, no damage. Oil pan, no leak, no crack, no damage. Filters, no leak, no crack, no damage. Now we are done from this side. We will go to the other side. Crack, no damage. Nothing stuck in the inlet. Coolant tank, no crack, no damage. Cap tight and secure. Level is good. Clamps, no crack, no damage. Intercooler mounted good, no crack, no damage. Nut bolts tight and secure. Intercooler cover mounted good, no crack, no damage. Air intake hose mounted good, clamps tight and secure. Engine head, no crack, no damage. Air intake hose, no crack, no damage. Turbo mounted good, no sign of smoke, no leak, no crack, no damage. Exhaust pipe, no crack, no damage, no leak, no smoke, clamp tight and secure. Exhaust manifold, no smoke, no nut bolt missing, no leak. Engine heater mounted good, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. All lines are secure properly. Fuel filter mounted good, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Bracket, no crack, no damage. So hood hinge, no crack, no damage. Electrical lines, no crack, no damage. Fender, no crack, no damage. Bumper, no crack, no damage. Leaf spring mounted good, no crack, no damage. Axle, no crack, no damage. Tie rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. U-bolts secure properly, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber mounted good, hose connected good. Slack adjuster, push rod 1/2 inch to 3/4. Slack adjuster mounted good, no crack, no damage. Inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, drum, dust cover, no crack, no damage. Tread depth more than 3.2 mm. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. All hub nut tight and secure. No leak, and level is good. Air valve stem with cap present. Fender, no crack, no damage. So overall this side, my under the hood is done.